Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we are going to be discussing the March real estate market report for Brigantine, New Jersey, located here at the Jersey Shore. On the minds of everyone seems to be what is going on with the real estate prices here at the Jersey Shore. Hi there, I'm Michael Sutley, and our team and I specialize in selling homes exclusively at the Jersey Shore, and today we wanted to fill you in on what we are seeing in this crazy real estate market. So let's jump right into it. To grasp what is going on, we need to start with a look at the broader market. The Fed has recently delivered on its promise to raise interest rates a quarter point, and more hikes have been promised. The most recent economic data showed that March's inflation recorded a 40-year high at 8.5%. That's not good for anyone. It appears that inflation is not going to be temporary based on the current supply chain issues and the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war that has continued to strain economies around the world. Currently, interest rates are hovering at a little over 4%, and we can expect another interest rate hike coming from the next Fed meeting in May. The question is, how aggressive of a rate hike will it be? So, let's dive into some local numbers and see how this is affecting our real estate market here at the Jersey Shore. Homes sold for March of 2022, you can see right here, 37 homes. So the previous month in February, 19 homes. Change from last month, 95%. All right, here's where you want to really look. So last March, which was last year, I'm saying, 73 homes. That is nearly half of what it was the previous year. So the median sales, as you can see, 528,000. Last year at this time, 410,000. That is a big difference. That is almost $100,000 difference. So as you can see, list prices are way up, well over 100,000. Sales to list ratio are still roughly the same, which is 98% in both years. Sales volume, we'll skip over that one. Median market on days. So we're looking at the absorption rate. So 50 days is how quick. That's a seller's market. And I'll jump into that a little bit later as we keep going through that. But if you go back 1 year ago, 67 days. That's a big difference. So homes sold year to date. So that's this year, 76. Last year, 151. That's an inventory issue. That's what that's over. So scrolling down, just breaks it down a little bit more. So you can pretty much understand this one. So 65 homes for sale. That's what it is. As I should say this, as of right this second, that's what it is. And I'm a little bit here into April. So you can see the list price is 567,000. 39 is the median days on market. Low price is 149. High price, nearly 5 million. So I want to run you over like the, so in March, the lowest home sold was a one-bedroom condo in Harbor Cove, and that was for $165,000. The most expensive sold was $3.5 million. That was located at 3001 Bayshore Ave. That was a 5-bedroom bayfront, absolutely gorgeous, breathtaking home. Scroll down. All right, so here we see. So homes sold. I want you to grasp this one. You can see January. So the gray is 2021, and obviously the burgundy or red, whatever you wish to call it, is 2022. That's now. You can see these are nearly half of what it is. The reason that it is just there's just no inventory for us to sell. So that's what's making this such a steep market. That's what's driving up the cost, in addition to buyers trying to jump in here. This is just another way of showing the list to sale ratio. So notice back in April here, it was 100%. So we were getting the list price. So we're getting ready to move into April now. We'll be curious to see if that trend continues. Market conditions, this is as obvious can be. We're in a seller's market. So want to scroll down here and jump into something else. All right. So if you take a look at here, I just want to go through a few things because this breaks down by price points. So if you're going to notice this is the obvious 200,000, 300,000, there's 7 listings, right? There's a 3 month, there was a half of a month trend, and they note it as a seller's market based on statistics of supply and demand and how long they're sitting on market. So notice that certain price points are showing as buyers, and sellers. Now, I say this, being that there's so few listings, I'm not sure that this is a fair way to look at it, because you're only looking at a total of, as of right now, if you notice down here, 65 listings for all of Brigantine. That is not a lot of listings, especially compared to previous years. So I don't know if it's necessarily a fair representation, but it does kind of give you a breakdown of what we're seeing, what price points are moving, what price points aren't moving. And we'll scroll down here, take another look. This is just another way to break it down. This is just if you notice here, days on market by price range. It's no secret that typically the higher price ranges of like 1.6 and up greater than 2 million are going to be longer on market. What's kind of crazy is this mark right here, this 700,000, you're seeing a much larger time on market, which I'm not exactly sure why. I think that could be people and sellers really trying to push the price to that next level. And that pretty much breaks us to what we're down here in Brigantine. So here is what we expect in the short term. Buyers will continue to rush into the market to beat the rate hikes, continuing to create multiple bid situations for certain properties. Because of the low inventory, buyers will continue to be creative with their offers and waive their home inspection rights, appraisal contingencies, and use escalation clauses to secure a deal. Make sure you check back next month, and every month for that matter, so we can break down the numbers of what is happening here at the Jersey Shore real estate market. Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this. Again, I'm Michael Sutley, and if you are thinking of buying or selling at the Shore, then you are in the right place. I am only a phone call away, and I love when my phone rings.